Welcome back to the RS Tech Talk. Today we're breaking down a topic that's critical in process automation, oil and gas, chemical plants, or anywhere volatile materials are present. We're talking about intrinsic safety, what it actually means, and how TURCK's IMX12 and IMXK12 safety barriers help prevent explosions before they happen. If you work with field instruments in hazardous areas, this is a video you don't want to miss. Let's start with the basics. Intrinsic safety, or IS, is a protection method that limits the voltage and current in a circuit so it cannot ignite a flammable atmosphere. Even if something goes wrong, there's simply not enough energy available to cause an explosion. Hazardous locations are areas where flammable gases, vapors, dust, or fibers may be present. Standards like the NEC and the IEC divide these into Zone 0, 1, and 2, or in North America, Class 1 Division 1 and 2. In those more dangerous zones, especially Zone 0 and Class 1 Div 1, every milliamp of energy matters, and that's where intrinsic safety becomes mandatory. Whenever you connect instrumentations like pressure transmitters, temperature sensors, or level switches in a hazardous area, you need something between the safe area, like your PLC and the field device. If you were to wire those devices directly, any fault, such as a short, a surge, or a wiring mistake, could send too much energy into the hazardous zone. IS barriers like the TURCK IMX line prevents that risk by limiting voltage and current so a spark can't ignite anything, providing galvanic isolation to block unwanted ground paths, maintaining a clean, reliable signal conditioning, and ensuring compliance with IEC 61508 SIL 2 safety circuits and hazardous area approvals. So not only do they protect against ignition, but they also fit directly into functional safety architectures. Now let's talk about the hardware that makes this all possible. The IMX12 is TURCK's flagship IS interface family. It's designed for universal process automation environments where you need fast and precise signal processing, three-way galvanic isolation, line fault detection, slim 12.5mm modules for dense control panels, and worldwide approvals including ATEX, IECEX, UL, FM, and more. It also includes a power bridge module where it feeds the IMX12 devices with power and transmits the collective fault signal of the connected devices. It handles everything from digital inputs to analog signals to frequency, temperature, heart, and relay outputs. If you need a one-to-one IS interface module, the IMX12 line almost certainly has the version you need. Then we have the IMXK12, the compact sibling of the IMX12. It keeps the same narrow 12.5mm width, but the depth is only 77mm, about 35% shallower than the standard IS modules. Now why does that matter? Well, modern OEM systems, mobile equipments, and modular process skids often use shallow depth cabinets. Traditional barriers physically don't fit, but the IMXK12 does, while still supporting intrinsically safe connections to Zone 0 field devices. If panel space is a concern, this series is a game changer. So how do these devices achieve intrinsic safety? TURCK employs several protection layers. Energy limitation. Internal circuits restrict the maximum energy allowed into the hazardous area. Even under fault conditions, like shorts or wiring errors, energy stays below ignition thresholds. Galvanic isolation. Three-way isolation means the input, output, and power supplies are all isolated from each other. This prevents dangerous return paths and eliminates ground loops. Fault monitoring. The IMX barrier includes line fault detection, such as open circuit or short circuit sensing. This helps you catch issues before they cause downtime. Certification for hazardous locations. IMX and IMXK devices are certified for installations in Class 1, Division 2, and Zone 2, and provide intrinsically safe outputs that allow connections to field devices located in Zone 0, Zone 1, and Class 1 Division 1. They're also certified across temperature classes from T1 to T6 and gas groups including IIC, the most demanding category. They're not just designed for hazardous area, they're proven safe for them. TURCK's barriers are used across industries such as oil and gas platforms where flammable vapors are always present, chemical plants that require energy limiting sensor loops, pharmaceutical facilities needing environmental and cabinet monitoring, wastewater treatments where explosive gas can accumulate, and mobile equipment in harsh outdoor conditions. Whether you're protecting a simple discrete proximity switch or a sensitive analog instrument, there's an IMX device designed for that signal type. Intrinsic safety may seem complex, but at the core, it's about controlling energy so ignition simply cannot occur. TURCK's IMX12 and IMXK12 barriers provide reliability, certifications, and performance you need to operate safely in a hazardous area, without sacrificing signal quality or panel space. Need help with your design or picking out the right products featured in this video? Check it out on our RS website or contact our RS engineering support group. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automation videos like this. Thanks for watching.